Yo, what's up guys? Ryan Magin here. I wanted to give a shout out to JC's Power Speaker Training. I don't like to talk about this much. I hate throwing numbers around, but my first webinar I ever did, it actually grossed a little over $20,000, and it actually only happened with 32 people on the webinar. I'm not proud to admit I only had 32 people on that webinar, but I've done a lot of shifting in my business and there wasn't a huge turnout. I was also dependent on a person writing the slides for me and writing all the sales copy, and I was just gonna kind of show up and do it. Well, that failed. What I got wasn't what I expected, so I had to basically free flow the whole thing, and I went back on what JC has taught me and a lot of what he teaches inside the Power Speaker Training, and I was able to close almost $20,000, or a little over $20,000. I think it was like 21.5 or something like that. But point is, the skill sets that you learn inside Power Speaker can work for any type of modality. You just talk, and if you do these things, you do make money. It positions you, it gives you authority, it gives you trust, it makes you appear, and people want to invest in that. So if you're on the fence about joining Power Speaker, highly recommend it. And I'm making myself uncomfortable by sharing these revenue numbers on JC's huge Instagram right now. So, you know, I'm willing to do that because I see so much value in what he teaches in that program. So definitely check it out. Peace.